Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we will continue where we left off the GDB debugging part of the last video. Hang on, let me fix my microphone. Okay. Now in this video I'll tell you about two things. One is debugging symbols, max and min. As you can see, there are two debugging symbols. One is a hash define, another is a const integer global variable. And then we have two for loops running, and then we have a variable int I is equal to 0. And if you observe carefully inside the if condition here, I'm not comparing, it is an assignment. This assignment will evaluate to 0 and the if expression will evaluate to false, and it will print I is not 0 while I is 0. So we'll go through how to debug this. Okay. So first we will understand why it is important to generate or rather not generate, why it is important to use const int min, not max. So what we do is we generate the assembly code of this program. We generate the assembly code and then we would like to have a look at it. Okay, so in this, if I search for max, nope, max is not there. So what happened to max? Since it's a hash defined macro, it never gets passed to the compiler. The preprocessor replaces all the occurrences of max with the 5. So compiler actually never sees it, and that's why in the assembly code it is never there. Now let's continue with debugging. First we prepare this program for debugging. So if you have followed my earlier video, the -d option is mandatory. Then we invoke GDB on a.out, and we apply breakpoint over here, line number 16. So we say b space gdb2.c. Hang on, before we do that, let's run the program. So it definitely prints I is not 0. So we debug this a.out, and this is line number 16. And we say run. So it has hit the breakpoint, and we say next. As you can see, it has hit the next line, I is not 0. So we know that it is not going inside the if, but rather it went inside the else condition. That's because of the assignment. When you assign some value to variable, the expression value is that value. It is not true. If that value is 0, it becomes false, and so it will land in else part over here by the terminology. Then you can say continue, it will exit. So that's all about this video. It has been a short video. In the next video I'll show you how to pass command line arguments using GDB, and I hope you would have enjoyed this short video. People don't like long videos, so I try to keep them short. Thanks for watching, and if you have liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Many more new videos will come. Thanks for watching. Happy programming. Bye.